The Chinese embassy in Kenya on Wednesday hosted a cultural exhibition at the Museo Beijing School located in the sprawling Mathari slum of Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. Zhou Meifen, cultural counselor at the Chinese embassy in Kenya, said that the event was aimed at enhancing exchanges between the youth of the two countries.
For this event, everybody you can see, so we call the hand in hand between Chinese and Kenya youth. So that means we should let the two Chinese and Kenya youth to know each other. So like to, through this event, let the Kenyan people to know more about Chinese culture.
Benedict Kiaj, director of Museo Beijing School, said that the Chinese cultural exhibition will help cement the relationship between the people of the two countries.
Today was a special day for the school because we had the Chinese people coming to showcase their cultural activities here, and they help the students to understand more of the lifestyle in Chinese, part of their infrastructure and all kinds of those things. So it was really a good day for the students because it acted like an exchange program.
According to an official of the Chinese embassy, the embassy is planning to hold more such events to boost cultural ties between the two countries.
Tunatarajia tukio hili inafanyika kila mwaka. Tunataka kufanya mfululizo kwa sababu kufanya hivyo ni muhimu sana, kwa sababu kwa sisi ubalozi wa China tunataka hayo mambo au matukio yawe mambo ya kuunganisha sisi wa China na wa Kenya kwa karibu sana kupitia mfululizo wa matukio ya kiutamaduni. Kwa njia hii tunaweza kupeana mawazo zaidi na kupata kujifunza mengi sana kwa sisi kutoka upande wa Kenya, kwa Kenya kutoka sisi upande wa China.